Namaskar. Papaya, the super fruit loaded with vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals help to prevent heart problems, diabetes, cancer, as well as digestive problems, improves sugar level, lowers blood pressure, and also speeds up wound healing. It's also high in antioxidant, which reduces inflammation, fight diseases, and help you look younger. But today I am going to talk about very unique and special benefit of papaya, which is to break down complex proteins. Papaya fruit contains an enzyme called papain. Papain is a digestive enzyme which helps to break protein down into smaller protein fragments called as peptides and amino acids. Many people eat protein rich diet to increase muscular strength or focus on high protein to try to lose weight. Also, people consume non vegetarian food due to cultural factors. But protein is not easy to break down to get absorbed in the body. We can obtain all the required amount of protein from vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian food are not recommended in yoga because body has a tough time digesting the non-vegetarian food, which can lead to indigestion, severe constipation, acidity, and so on. Eating 2 slices of papaya every day will surely help. Papaya fruit plays a major role by breaking down protein, and this would definitely help digestion. So if you choose to eat high protein meal or non-vegetarian meal, make sure you include papaya in your regular diet, maybe during breakfast or as mid-meal snack. The papain enzyme can aid in breaking down the protein and help in digestion. Protein is a building block for our body. Hence, it is very crucial macronutrient. It helps to repair and build tissues as well as make hormones, enzymes, and other things that are vital to our health. But how will your body benefit from all the protein you eat if it can't properly break it down? Eat at least 2 slices of papaya every day to break down proteins and experience the health benefits for yourself. Do include this healthy fruit in your daily life. See to it that papaya is always ripe and not raw. Bring papaya in the house from market, wrap it up in a paper, leave it as it is. When you press your thumb in papaya, it should feel softer. It should go in, it should feel soft. That ripe papaya works wonders. So you must eat a properly ripe papaya every day, and that would keep you really healthy. Your digestive system would be fit and fine. So enjoy your good health with the help of papaya. Namaskar.